this is gonna be a real good one, y'all. Cajun Alfredo.
A what?
Cajun Alfredo.
I'm sorry, what?
Cajun Alfredo.
I'm sorry, one more time.
This is Cajun. I'm afraid of Cajun. Cajun Alfredo. Cajun Alfredo French crawfish bread. Y'all just watch this. Hey y'all, we fix to make something real good. It is Cajun Alfredo crawfish bread. And you talk about good. Oh, my grandma taught me how to make some of this years ago. I'm gonna show y'all the rest right now. Hey, y'all ready for this? Come on, we get you about a 3/4 sticks of butter. Yeah. You know why we're using 3/4 stick? Because somebody done took a quarter of the stick and we can't find it. But you drop that right there and let her melt. I'm gonna get my roux spoon, which my mother-in-law gave me this. We melt this butter down here. Get it melted. My mother-in-law gave me this several years ago. My grandma taught me how to make this Alfredo sauce. She didn't teach me how to say it though. So maybe we should have worked on that a little more. Melting this butter down. Oh yeah, now we're gonna get some flour. This is the roux. This is what we set up to be like a blonde roux. I think that should be enough. I always overdo it, always. Y'all, we're gonna stir this in here. We're just trying to get all these clumps out. We're gonna cook this down. Now this, you could actually make this. Well, I'll tell you the rest in a minute. I'll tell you in a minute. I can't tell you right now. I can't tell you everything at once. I don't know if y'all could handle it. Okay. We got this cooking down pretty good. Okay, let's get her some half and half. Both halves. I wonder which half is half. I don't know. Well, when it's done, this will be like creamy. Nice. I should have been through, but I always put too much. I always make too much, y'all. But the good thing about having too much, you always got leftovers. I'm gonna move this to this side because it's a little cooler over here. I don't have the side on. This is something my mother-in-law gave me, and we call this a roux spoon. All women in South Louisiana got roux spoons. Jenna's mom passed away last year, and she gave me this roux spoon several years ago. And I knew when she handed it to me, when a woman hands you her roux spoon, it means a lot. It means a lot. And she knows I love to cook, and that's the reason she gave it to me. Jenna's mama was a real good cook. Oh, she loved to cook. And I'm gonna pass it down to one of my grandkids, because it just, you know, that's what we do with a lot of stuff down here, just pass it down. I got a lot of my great-grandmother's cooking stuff, which is pretty cool. All right, y'all, we got this fixed up pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm probably get a little seasoning drop in here. Get two toe Italiano, y'all. Two-toe Italiano. This is what this is right here. I'm gonna put some of that on there, just a little bit right there. Then we're gonna go back and we're gonna get some of this Parmesan ranch, y'all. It's got good smells to it, y'all. Okay, that should be enough of there. A lot of time, you make this, and you make it a little more cream in there and thin it out some more. But we want this thick, because we're gonna make a paste to put on our bread. Y'all see how it's getting kind of thick? It ain't thick yet. We're fixing to add some more stuff to it. Y'all watch this. The Parmesan cheese, the ground up stuff, watch this. Well, I haven't added no salt. We don't need no salt in this yet. The Parmesan cheese got a lot of salt in it, and the crawfish we'll be adding has some salt and a lot of seasoning. If you had noodles, you add your crawfish or whatever you're adding, and would make you a good sauce. All right, y'all, look how thick it is, you see? See how you want it thick like this, trust me, you want it thick. Now let's add the crawfish. Now this is some crawfish me and Janet peeled last week. We had a crawfish ball over here. We had some left over. When you have leftover crawfish, you peel them and you make something else with them. Look at that. We're gonna mix this in real good. Now also, the reason I didn't season it a lot, I didn't put a lot of seasoning because of the crawfish was boiled. and they're in good seasoned water. So you have plenty of seasoning. Oh, I forgot the garlic, y'all. You can't have good garlic bread without garlic, and that's a fact, Jack. Yes, I'm putting a lot, but that's all right. So we're gonna stir this in and let it sit a minute. Oh, y'all. All right, now we got to get that French bread ready. Me and these bread wrappers never did get along. The kind of bread you use for this is real important. Basically, to be honest with you, this is the only place you can get this kind of bread, is in Louisiana. And it's not that y'all can't cook nowhere else, it's just this is where French bread is made, and the reason it's made here is because of the humidity. If you notice, you go to different places and they got specializes in different bread, same thing, same thing. Yeah, we're gonna open this up, y'all, and this will feed a bunch of people. Well, a bunch of regular people. Cajuns are different, we eat more. Is that pretty or what, y'all? We ain't through yet now. We're gonna give it another stir right here. And y'all see all the crawfish in there? See how thick it is? That's the reason I want to show y'all this. You've got to have it thick to do this with. Look at that. See how it's sticking in that bread? If you're on a diet right now, you just need to change channels, because ain't nothing diet about this meal. Now once I get it all on here, look at that. Oh, I almost forgot something. Gotta put more cheese. That was close, y'all. It'd have been good that way too, but it's gonna be gooder this way. All right, y'all. We're gonna add a little bit of cheese to it. Well, I lied. We're gonna add a lot of cheese. Now, once I got my cheese down like this, like I said, you can do it the way you want it, but I guarantee you this is a good way. You add you a little more seasoning on it. All right, y'all come over here and watch this. Watch the magic happen. Ooh. We're gonna let that sit there about 3 or 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and it'll be ready to eat. All right, y'all, we almost there. Let me show you something I do right at the end. We're gonna put turbocharger on here. Watch out, y'all listen. You ready? Listen. Ooh! What it does, the heat goes up to the top of this thing, reflects back down, browns your cheese. Okay, we're about right. It's right, that's it. Cut it off. Ooh. Y'all. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, y'all. It's hard to explain this, y'all. And you can do it your way, you know. This is Alfredo sauce on here. Leave it thick, put it on some bread, some French bread, crawfish. You got you something good to eat right here, buddy. Ooh, y'all. We're gonna cut this right down the middle. Cut me a little piece off the end here. Ooh, y'all. I told y'all. If you don't have your own crawfish to peel, you can put shrimp on here. Whatever you want, chicken. It's supposed to be an appetizer. We're gonna make this a meal.
Tonight you're cooking with the